In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see who rewatched your story on Snapchat. You can simply see friends who watched your Snapchat story multiple times in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. You will have to first share a story to either your public profile or on My Stories. To see friends who rewatched your story more than once, just tap right here. Scroll down onto Story Rewatch. In this section, you will see your friends who have watched your story over and over again. To access this feature, you will have to first subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Just simply tap on Next, then start with 7 days free trial to access Plus features on Snapchat. That's how easy it is to see who rewatched your stories on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.